Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. In this video I'm going to talk about 5 plants that have disappointed me in 2019. I'm going to start right now. The first plant we're going to talk about is the goji berry. There's the trunk of it right there. It goes all the way up and up and up. There's multiple reasons why I'm disappointed with this plant. One, its production is, in my garden, for some reason, very low. I mean, I'll get probably 5 berries a year. It could be that there are birds eating the berries, but they don't even size up and they're gone. Well, there's one finally, so I say 6 berries a year. And also, I'm getting tired of it suckering everywhere. This one's about 4.5 feet to almost 5 feet away from the trunk, and there was another sucker past that compost pile, and that's about 8 feet away from the trunk, and they're everywhere in my avocados and everything else. Just not worth it. Just a mess, prone to powdery mildew, and just not worth growing anymore. So this plant, I have to decide its future pretty soon. I don't think it's going to have a place in my garden come 2020. The second plant that I'm disappointed with is my black satin blackberry bush. I had a Loch Ness and a triple crown in these locations over here, respectively, and they would just sucker everywhere. The black satin, though, never had any sucker growth. It just stayed where it was, which I loved. The main problem was when it got above 85 degrees Fahrenheit, it would just mummify the blackberries. And anything in deep shade like this area over here would kind of be ripe. It would start drying up as well. And I don't have enough space to allow this much square footage for a plant that's not producing for me. Well, needless to say, I'm very disappointed with this plant. The third set of plants that I'm disappointed with is the currants that I have. This is a black currant, and this is the red currant. Last year I lost my red currant and I had to purchase another one. So that red currant you just saw is about 9 months old, I believe. But this is the second year of a black currant and barely had a production and still looks sickly no matter what I do. I'm mimicking the same thing I am throughout my rest of my garden, which is flourishing. But when I apply those same principles and same gardening techniques to this black currant, it just suffers. The next set of plants that have disappointed me this year are my honeyberries or haskap berries. The main reason why they disappoint me is not that they're not producing berries. They're still quite young. This one here is about 10 months old, and my other one that I'll show you in a moment is 2 years old. It's that they don't want to grow at all. You know, even though I put them in shade and then moved them in the winter to a different location where it's a little sunnier and it still doesn't want to grow. I think it doesn't like such a hot area where I live in compared to probably its native land where it's really cold during the winter. And here is this pollinator. Now I pruned it heavily and it was green when I pruned, so it's still alive, but it died back severely. So I don't think this plant loves this part of the world. The fifth plant that has disappointed me this year is my Sweet 16 apple tree. Now, I purchased this as an experiment. My other apple trees are flourishing. The grafts are doing great. Now, this variety was a test, and obviously it just can't make it here. It doesn't want to grow at all. I mean, it would grow maybe 3 to 6 inches a year, and that's it. As you can see right here, the winter pruning, that is all the growth it's had. What is that, about 4 inches of growth in a whole season? So once again, it's an experiment, but still, I thought I would get a little bit more growth than this. And this is not its first year in the ground. This is its second year in the ground. If you have some disappointments of 2019 in your garden, let me know in the comment section below. I'm curious what they are. If they're stone fruits, or if they're vegetables, or root vegetables, or citrus trees, what have you. I'd like to hear them. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.